What's up, my dudes? Well, this is a video of my Josh Wood, which I finally unlocked my diamond shotguns. Yeah, as you can see, they look pretty nice, don't they? Yeah. Remington especially, it looks lovely. Yeah. I can always do trick shots with that. Anyway, move on to the next one. With the M1216. Yeah, that is a pretty good gun. So we're going to kill myself. So you get 3 bullets with no attachments. Or it looks really nice in diamond. Reload. Yeah, and that one could go into KSG. Yep, KSG. I think this is the easiest to get kills with. Once I got a kill feed, it looked a bit like this. There's like a guy there, got 2 guys here, 3 guys here, and there's 1 guy here. Technically, it looked like this when I spawned in. I'm so sorry for this bit of the video. It lagged out, so I had to do it again. Sorry, but this time has an S12 in it, and so yeah, enjoy. Finally, unlocked my diamond shotguns. Yeah, as you can see, they look pretty nice, don't they? Yeah. Remington especially, it looks lovely. Yeah. I can always do trick shots with that. Anyway, move on to the next one. With the M1216. Yeah, that is a pretty good gun. So we're going to kill myself. So you get 3 bullets with no attachments. Or it looks really nice in diamond. Yeah, I think it looks really nice when you reload. Yeah, and that one could go into KSG. Yep, KSG. I think this is the easiest to get kills with. Once I got a kill feed, it looked a bit like this. There's like a guy there, got 2 guys here, 3 guys here, and there's 1 guy here. Technically, it looked like this when I spawned in. Oh yeah, I forgot. I know there's 1 guy here. I'll do it all again. Sorry. Technically, it looked like this. Going through, I shoot him. I shoot him. I shoot him. No! Yeah, I'm gonna do it wrong. Sorry. I go through. I shot him. Shot him again. Shot him. Shot that. And then shot over there. And shot. Yeah, and that's what I did. Okay, next, let's move on to the S12. The S12 is a pretty nice gun, actually. It ain't the best gun in the world, but it's good. Semi-automatic, that's good. Yeah. Normally 1 shot, 2 shot, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so it's just a really good gun. Like, it's just, yeah. Don't know why, I just like it. Yeah. Shoot everything. Right. Yes, that's all, guys. So I hope you enjoy. Leave a like, comment, and I hope you enjoy. Peace.